Today we're going to do dividing polynomials. The problem we have here is 3x cubed minus 2x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. First thing we need to do, we need to write this problem out kind of like a long division problem. So since we're dividing x plus 2 into 3x cubed minus 2x plus 2, we're going to put x plus 2 outside, and then we're going to put 3x cubed. Now notice we have x cubed and we have x, so we're actually missing the power, the x to the second power, x squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 0 x squared, which is 0. 0 times anything is 0. And then minus 2x plus 2. Now, only thing we really need to do is look at this and this. And if we try to put x into 3x cubed, what we're going to have left is 3x squared. Because if you say 3x cubed divided by x, that's the same thing as saying 3 times x times x times x divided by x. And then if we take those two x's out, then we're left with 3x squared. Okay? Now, I'm going to erase this. So x goes into 3x cubed 3x squared times. Okay, so since we have it's 3x squared, we're going to put it over to x squared. So 3x squared. 3x squared times x is equal to 3x cubed. So since we multiply x times 3x squared, we're going to multiply this 2 times 3x squared. So 2 times 3 is 6, so that's 6x squared. So we have 3x cubed plus 6x squared. Typically what you do is you subtract this from what's at the top. So if we subtract what's inside the parentheses, this is actually going to be adding minus 3x cubed minus 6x cubed. So minus 3x cubed plus 3x cubed, that cancels. Minus 6x cubed from 0x cubed is 6x squared. Minus 6x squared from 0x squared is minus 6x squared. So we're going to bring down the minus 2x. The same thing here. We're going to look at this x. We look at this minus 6x squared. The x goes into 6x squared minus 6x times. So it's minus 6x. So minus 6x squared. So minus 6x times x is minus 6x squared. And then minus 6x times plus 2 is negative 12x. So minus 12x. Same thing here. We have to subtract this from what's up top. And since we're subtracting here, we're going to actually add the opposite of what's inside. So we're really going to be adding. That is going to change this to positive and change that to positive. So a minus and a plus, that cancels out. And then we have a minus 2 and a plus 12. So that comes out to be a plus 10x. And then we bring down our plus 2. Once again, we have x here. We have 10x here. X goes into 10x 10 times. So that's plus 10. 10 times x is 10x. 10 times 2 is 20. We have to subtract that. So we're adding the opposite. So that's a minus 10x and a minus 20. So minus 10x plus 10x cancel. Minus 20 plus 2. That's minus 18. So 3x cubed minus 2x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 3x squared minus 6x plus 10 with a remainder of negative 18 over x plus 2. So this is the way you write 3x squared minus 6x plus 10 minus 18 over x plus 2. There's your answer. So would you want to check your answer? Well, what we do is we'll take x plus 2 and multiply times that, and then we'll see what we come up with. Okay? X plus 2 times 3x squared minus 6x plus 10. So we take the x plus 2 and multiply times that, x plus 2 and multiply times that, and x plus 2 and multiply times that. So x plus 2 times 3x squared is 3x cubed. 3x cubed plus 6x squared. And then x plus 2 times negative 6x is negative 6x squared minus 12x. And then 10 times x plus 2 is plus 10x plus 20. And then don't forget, we have our minus 18 left over. So minus 18, and then so 3x cubed. There's no more 3x. There's no more x cubed, so that's 3x cubed. We got that out the way. Then we look at our x squares. We have a plus 6x squared here, a minus 6x squared here. Plus and a minus, they both cancel. And then we have a minus 12x plus 10x. And so a minus 12 and a plus 10, that's a minus 2x. So that's done. And then we have a plus 20 and a minus 18, which turns out to be a plus 2. Okay, so there's our 3x cubed minus 2x plus 2. There's our 3x cubed minus 2x plus 2. Everything checks out.